Hi, I'm Rhiannon, founder of Garnet PR, and I took part in Rebecca's Summer of Freedom workshop, and it was amazing. The woman is so passionate about what she does, and she brings every single bit of that passion, that fire, as well as her incredible knowledge and expertise and energetic work to everything she does. The workshop was so powerful. It helped to look at things differently and to identify, okay, where do you want to go? Where are you now? How do you want to get to where you want to be? And how can you do everything in alignment with both your energy and your goals? Because that is really where the magic happens. And that is what she specializes in, and how she approaches things so differently to so many coaches and mentors out there. She really wants you to do things your way, and that is so inspiring, and it makes you believe that you absolutely can. You don't have to do things in the ways that everyone's talking about online, in these cookie cutter strategies. You get to do things how you want to do them, and that is her absolute superpower, bringing that belief out of you so that you can create a life and business that feels super, super good. So if you're thinking about working with Rebecca in any of her containers, I really, really encourage it, because she will bring a whole new way of working for you to look at and to think about and to consider. And she will fire you up and motivate you and get you going, because that is her magic. She makes you believe that you can be, do and have anything at all, anything you want. And inevitably you will do if you're working with her.